Okay, so let's look at due process. The Due Process Clause says that no person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. So there are certain requirements for this. Certainly you have, well, procedure and you have substantive. The procedure is the process the government has to go through. They have to give you what? Notice in a hearing, okay, to take away your life, liberty, or process. Life, liberty, or property. But they also have to have a darn good reason to do it, and that's substantive due process. It protects an individual's life, liberty, or property against certain government actions regardless of the fairness of the procedures used to implement them. So we have to have a process, we also have to have a reason to do it. What about equal protection? Okay. The government cannot enact laws that treat similarly situated individuals differently. So we can't discriminate based on what? Race, national origin. Right? If the government does, they have to come under strict scrutiny, meaning the government has to show the classification must be necessary to promote a compelling state interest. So we really can't discriminate based on He-Man and Buzz-Off, pardon me, unless there's a really darn good reason. It has to be necessary to promote a compelling state interest. Now, intermediate scrutiny is the middle tier scrutiny, and it has to be substantially related to an important government interest. So I can't discriminate against He-Man and some girl. I don't have a female action figure with me. All right. Again, the government has to show that it doesn't interfere. And then rational basis. It all has to do is be a good reason to do it. Alright? So what comes under rational basis? Anything that's not under strict scrutiny or intermediate scrutiny. Okay? We also have privacy rights. Alright? The biggest one is HIPAA. Okay? Not hippopotamus, just HIPAA. And this protects the privacy of individuals' health records. Alright? And then we have the Patriot Act. And that was as a result of 9/11, which gives the government, new tools for their toolbox to help fight the war on terror. There's a lot of stuff out there when it comes to constitutional law.